And a 1, 2.
The sky can tell us so much about a planet, but what we know wasn't always like granite. The knowledge has changed throughout history, so here's our rap about astronomy. Astronomers started simply observing, not knowing what comes next was too unnerving. Each event had a reason from the stars to see. You just need a look inside a galaxy.
The oldest written records, they were found on clay. The Babylonians didn't make them for display. They used them in their courts to help predict events. They had so many, it was so immense. The Greeks studied the sky using math to find positions of the stars and the planets. They were always on missions. They made tables, they made charts of their own observations, double checking their divisions and their multiplications.
This part's for the man with his head up in the sky, rejecting Plato's theory as if it were a lie. Aristotle divided the universe in two, the earth and the heaven, that was all he knew. The earth was stationary, that's what he said. Shoot an arrow, it comes down, it hits you in the head. Also believing the earth was at the very heart of the whole universe, right from the start.
Ptolemy did not agree with Aristotle. His knowledge and success was on full throttle. He wrote a book called Almagest in Arabic. His system and beliefs just weren't all that perfect. Shanghua was a great astronomer from China. He was gifted and his skills could not have been finer. His goals were more political than scientific, but he started a collection which was pretty terrific.
Regimontaigne is translated Almagest, but it just didn't seem to fully digest. Insisting that the theories should match observation, he changed astronomy during his generation. Copernicus, my man, he loved harmony, so the sun was the center in our astronomy. Propaganda made his book seem very momentous. His common sense, his physics, they were all stupendous.
Tycho Brahe was Danish and he made his folks mad. He studied at a school his parents thought was bad. Got funding for a place on an island called Fenn. A lot has changed between now and then. Kepler said the sun is like a magnet, attracting and repelling each and every planet. He said that their motions paralleled a musical. That's how he found out that they are elliptical.
Galileo was a teacher, but he left his career for the Medici family. He was man of the year. With his new telescope, he looked at the sky. He saw Jupiter, he saw Saturn. Man, what a guy. Galileo Galilei drew in large groups of people. With all of his boasting, he didn't seem feeble. He drew pictures of the moon just for fun, and now the rap is over. Your astronomy lesson's done.